Introducing the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3302 SDW printer. Now this printer has got print, scan and copy features. The standard connectivity is it has got a built-in dual band Wi-Fi with self-reset. It has Wi-Fi direct and two high-speed USB ports, one for host and one for device, and it supports Ethernet as well. At the back of the printer, that is where you see the high-speed USB port for the device as well as the Ethernet port. It has a user interface control panel of 4.3-inch color graphic display touchscreen. It has a paper handling of 250 sheets for the input tray, and it has one sheet priority fit tray over here. Now the maximum output is up to 100 sheets at 75 GSM or up to 15 mm stack. It has an automatic document feeder that scans single-sided only, and the ADF can hold up to 50 sheets of paper. Besides that, it also have got a flatbed scan glass, and the flatbed scan glass features an easy slide off glass as shown. Let us take a look at the toner cartridges. So it comes pre-installed with 4 toner cartridges: black, cyan, magenta and yellow. So let us show you the print speed, which is 26 ppm, letter or 25 ppm for A4, and it's automatic two-sided printing. And we will also show you the scan and copy specs. So this is the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3302 SDW printer, the perfect printer for small business.